What's up, guys? So we are in Ipoh and it's the second day. Yesterday I came down to Ipoh and worked on the G30, and then today I'm working on a Mazda CX-5 that is 1 year old. So I'm actually at my girlfriend's house, so I am going to go back to my own house, that is where my client is sending the car over. So I'm having a little bit of flu, that's why I sound a bit weird. And damn, the medication that I had yesterday night was fucking strong. I'm still feeling it right now. I'm feeling a little bit dizzy. So I'm gonna just slowly drive home first, and I will see the car, and then I will show you everything in a cinematic sequence. What's up, guys? So I am done with the CX-5 for today, and that's how you see everything in a cinematic sequence. And I will be on my way home right now and buy some dinner on the way, and that'll be the end of the day. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.